This is gonna blow your mind. Nature is secretly a genius. Let's count down 5 real-life facts that sound totally made up. Trees are basically gossiping neighbors. They share nutrients and send danger alerts underground. Fact 2, octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood, thanks to copper. Fact 3, some bacteria can actually eat plastic. Fact 4, honey never goes bad, even after 3,000 years. Fact 5, Earth isn't a perfect ball, it's a chubby sphere. Smash that follow for more mind-bending science.